Hey there! Welcome to this special CounselMore guide. We're diving into the game-changing world of the blueprints to college planning. Trust me, this is going to make your life so much easier. Ready to get started? So you've just purchased the blueprints to college planning. You'll find them automatically populated in your settings menu, under routine assignments. You'll also get a PDF version by email, which is a great reference to have on hand. Think of this PDF as your quick guide, especially useful when you're just getting started and wanting a top-down view of the process. Customizing assignments. Each assignment is editable. You can edit them in the Settings menu under Routine Assignments to change the original copy. The Routine Assignments package can be broken down into smaller packages or services, or by grade year. For students in their senior year, you might create a group/banner that says, Application Process, or title your banner by type or service. Any way that makes the most sense for you. Simply edit the respective assignment by changing the routine assignment/meeting group. Pause as you need to follow along with this example. Let's start assembling assignments for juniors. Click the pencil to edit assignment 11B, Reviewing the College List. This will be the first assignment in our juniors group. Change the group to juniors. Close the assignment and minimize the routine assignments package. See your new juniors group, also referred to as a process banner, and the one assignment it contains. Adding assignments to a student account. Next, close the routine assignments. Head over to a student's Assignments tab, click the menu, and choose Routine Assignments. You'll see your process banners and can apply an individual assignment or an entire group of assignments with a click. Tailoring assignments to each student. Adjust each set of assignments based on the student's specific needs. There are 40+ assignments in the Routine Assignments package. You won't use them all for every student. You will use a core set over and over, and the rest you will be relieved to have when you need them. For example, if the student has already taken the SAT, you can move assignment 16A, Testing Options/Schedule, to the completed section. You can also restore the assignment if you change your mind. And you can always make new fresh assignments to tailor the process further. Additionally, you can link to any file in the student's Google Drive folder. Say you have a folder with scholarship resources. You can link that folder to an assignment about financial aid. Setting the audience and dates. Choose who can see each assignment, just the student, just the parents, or both. Then, set the start and due dates. The start date is when the assignment will become visible to the student or parent in their respective portals. Until that date, the assignment cannot be seen. For example, from August to December, most counselors are consumed by the application process and need to stay focused on their application seniors. With CounselMore, you can stay focused because the assignments will turn on automatically becoming visible on the start date you set. Your non-seniors will continue to receive what they need when you are most busy. Checking the student's view. If you're curious about what the student or parent portal sees, use the View bar at the top of the Assignments tab. For example, before a meeting, you can check the student's view to ensure they've completed their assignments and see what assignments they have pending. Communication options. You can email the assignments to the parents, the students, or both by clicking the Email button. For example, after a consultation, you can email a summary of what was discussed and what assignments are due next. Meeting notes are also available under the menu on the Assignments tab. Automated Send Setup, using CounselMore's Meeting Pattern Philosophy. One of the standout features of CounselMore is the automated send for assignments. This aligns perfectly with CounselMore's Meeting Pattern Philosophy, which recommends different frequencies of meetings based on the student's year in school. For example, Let's say you're following CounselMore's Meeting Pattern Philosophy, which suggests quarterly meetings for freshmen and sophomores, every other month for juniors, and more frequent meetings during application season for seniors. You can set up automated sends to align with these meeting patterns. If you are working with a sophomore, you can set the auto-send interval to quarterly sends. In Assignments, click the menu, then click Auto-Send Summary, choose the interval, quarterly, and set the start date. Then check On and click Save. Consistency across staff. If you have a team of counselors, the blueprints to college planning help maintain a consistent level of service. You can standardize the messages that go out, ensuring every student receives the same high-quality advice. For example, having the routine assignments package means you can adopt a repeatable process and provide equity of service across all of your clients. In a word-of-mouth referral business, that's an important quality to project. In conclusion, there we have it. From the blueprints to college planning to auto-sending assignments, CounselMore offers a range of features designed to make your life as a counselor easier and more efficient. Thanks for joining me today, and here's to empowering the next generation of college-bound students.